Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be pretty fun to have my little sister Talise do my makeup. She's 4 years old, so I'm just gonna let her do whatever she wants on my face, and then we'll see what the outcome look is.
Champagne this one.
Okay.
It's like this put dots on my face.
Okay. Don't forget, you gotta blend it in too. You kinda gotta use a little bit more too. That's good enough. Alright. This is how it looks so far. Okay. Yep. Good job.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. You already gonna do that?
Yeah.
Oh, there's pink stuff. You know where that goes, right? Yep, right there. Yep, good job. Okay, gotta do the other side.
And cake stuff.
Ooh, yes, I like this. Okay,
Next one.
what do you want to do? Lipstick? That one? Here, take a look. I have a lot of them.
And red.
Red? Okay. You know how to open it? Ooh. Alright, put it on my lips.
And then remind me when to power.
Uh-huh.
Because I was there too.
Uh-huh. What did we do?
Lipstick on.
Wow.
Next one.
Okay, maybe do you want to do eyeshadow? There's brown colors here,
Yeah.
and we also have this one right here.
And this.
Oh, we use this one.
And put white in this eyeshadow.
Okay.
So we're going to put this on.
Ooh, I feel so pretty.
Okay. Now, sparkles.
Okay. What color is that?
Brown sparkles.
Wow.
Now
I
the
look
other one.
great. Okay. What do we do now? This is eyeliner if you want. You remember that? It goes on your eyes, your eyelids.
Wait.
You pull it. Yeah. Wow.
Do you put white?
Yeah, right there. Ooh.
No.
Fabulous.
What is this stuff?
Eyebrows. That's it? You're all good? Okay. Is there anything else you want to use, or is that it? What do you want to use? Oh, other way. Pull it.
Where do you put this?
Anywhere. Wow. I think this is going to look good. Wilbur, what are you doing?
What's he doing?
Are you going to use this one? That one's all broken up.
Did Wilbur chew that one?
Yeah, he chewed it up when he was a puppy. And you put on my eyelashes. Careful, don't get in my eye. You're doing good. You're doing so good.
Was Wilbur nose? Was I here when I was born when Wilbur was a puppy?
Yeah, you were.
I was born that way when he was a
Yeah,
puppy.
yeah. I got him when you were 2.
What?
Yeah.
Last time my puppy was like this big.
Yeah. It's like a line right there. You can try it out. Ooh. Alright. And then do the other side.
Oh, I need
Okay, good. Here, you want to screw that back up? Here, spin it. Hold it. Here.
Why do you put that there?
Because it defines your cheeks. Ooh, wow. Okay. Okay. Is that it? There's some more stuff in there. You can look if you want. That's just sparkly lipstick. You're going to use that too? You're going to use 2 lipsticks? Wow, you are smart.
Here, lips are all chappy.
Okay. Is this the finished look?
Yeah.
What would you call this look?
I know the monster look.
The monster look. Wow. Okay. So
That's it.
that's it?
Bye.